welcome back to my channel, Question Math Minds. I'm Sushma. Today we are going to discuss Model Question Paper 1. Because Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board, it left its first model paper. In this, in one paper you have totally 3 subjects, that's Maths, Science and Social. In both the mediums you have, that's Kannada medium also you have, English medium also have. For each paper carries 40 marks. Totally you need to write 120 marks in 3 hours. That means for each paper you have 3 hours. You people need a question paper means in a below description I gave a link. So by pressing that you will get a question paper. In that you have totally Maths, Science and Social full question papers you have, model question papers. And for more videos like this you need me, please subscribe to my channel. Here in this paper I've written each lesson how many marks it's carrying and how many questions it's coming also I written, because in that question paper how many marks you have each lesson, so that one I written here. So you can see here we have arithmetic rotation. Totally you have 5 questions and that's for a 5 marks only. Next we have pair of linear equations, that's totally you have 4 questions, and quadratic equations you have 4 questions, and triangles you have 5 questions, circles 3 questions, construction 2 questions is there, and coordinate geometry 4 questions are there. Next, introduction to trigonometry we have totally 5 questions, and applications of trigonometry we don't have any questions here. That means it's not that they will not give for the final exam, but here in this question paper they not mentioned. Maybe in a model question paper 2 they may mention. So let's we check in that further. Now statistics we have 3 questions, and surface area and volume we have totally 5 questions. Totally you have 40 questions for a 40 marks. So this one you need to complete in a 1 hour. And how to complete and how to use a useful tricks, everything, so we'll check now. First one, if a pair of linear equations 3x plus 2ky is equal to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 are parallel to each other, then the value of x. Here they set the point of k value for the parallel lines. This is for a pair of linear equations. Because before only once I explained pair of linear equations conditions for coincident lines, parallel lines and intersecting lines, and I explained each condition how it will arise and how to take this one and how to calculate, and the graph also how you get also I explained that. If you people need that one information, in the description I gave that link, so you can go through with that. And now I'll say that here they said we have a parallel lines. If you have a parallel lines and coincidence lines only, you can find out any one value like a k, anything also. If you have intersecting lines you can't find out, because intersecting lines it can't be, because a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, but in a parallel a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. So that condition will apply here. So therefore now we will apply that, because we have 2 equations, that is a1x plus b1y plus c is equals to 0. So that condition now we will apply. So we have a1 is 3 and b1 is 2k and c1 is minus 2, and a2 we have 2, b2 is 5 and c2 is 1. Now we will take that one condition and we will apply now. We have what a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. We will substitute now values. We will get 3 by 2 is equals to 2k divided by 5. Now we will do cross multiplication. By doing cross multiplication we will get 15k is equals to 4k, because 3 5s are 15 and 2 2s are 4. So therefore 4k we will get. Now I'll take 4 down. So that time what I'll get, k is equals to 15 by 4. Where we have this option? Yes, we have that option, that is option A. 15 by 4 is a correct one. Second one, the pair of equations 2x minus 5y plus 4 is equals to 0 and 2x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0 as. Here we need to check which type of the solution it has. So therefore first we need to consider a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2, how much we have. So we written everything now here. So a1 is 2, b1 is minus 5, c1 is 4, a2 is 2, b2 is 1 and c2 is minus 8. Now we will take a1 by a2 is equals to 2 by 2 and b1 by b2 is equals to minus 5 by 1. If they both are equal to each other only, we need to check c1 by c2. If it's not, no need to check. So now we can check now. a1 by a2 is equals to 2 by 2 we have, b1 by b2 we have minus 5 by 1. That means they both are not equal to each other. So therefore we can say a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore answer C, a unique solution is a correct one. Third one, the values of x x and y when the point lies on the linear equation 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. Here they said we need to find out x and y, which one lie on that equation. That means by substituting x and y we need to get 12. Then that is a correct answer. In options only we will check now. First one we have x is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 3. By substituting x is equals to 0 and y is equals to minus 3, we will get plus 9. But we are not getting 12, so therefore that's not possible. Next one B, if we substitute x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3, we will get minus 5. That's also not possible. Next we'll substitute x is equals to 3, y is equals to minus 2. So then substituting x is equals to 3, y is equals to minus 2, we will get 12 only. Because 2 3s are 6, it will become here minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 6 will get 12. So therefore answer C, x is equals to 3, y is equals to minus 2 is a correct one. Now fourth one. Identify the wrong statement which respects to a pair of linear equations. So in these options you can see first one we have parallel. So parallel mentioned, it's there in a pair of linear equations. And next we'll move on to next one, if the lines are perpendicular. But perpendicular we don't have that statement only anywhere in a pair of linear equations, because third one many solutions, that's also is there, and unique solutions, that's also there, but perpendicular, that's not there, because if the lines are perpendicular to each other there is no solution. That option is not a correct one, it's a wrong. So therefore option B is a correct one. Next one, the 10th term of the AP minus 3 minus 1 1 3 etc. is. These type of problems we did them before session also. Now also we will do a is equals to minus 3 and d difference what we will get, subtracting second term with the first term, we will get d is equals to 2. They said to find out 10th term, so a10 is equals to a plus 19. Now we will substitute a and d value, so final answer we will get a10 is equals to 15. Calculation how to do you people know, here also I gave one, so you people can try to do. Next one, sixth one, we have the nth term of an AP is given by an is equals to 7 minus 4n, then the common difference is. This problem also repeated one only, important one we also said in a session. Now first we need to find out a1. a1 we need to find out means in the place of n we need to substitute 1. So a1 is equals to 7 minus 4 into 1, we will get a1 value is 3. Next a2 we will do, where n is there we will substitute 2. So a2 is equals to 7 minus 4 into 2, we will get the answer is minus 1. Now we need to find out difference, so we will subtract a2 value with the a1. We will get d is equals to a2 minus a1, that is equals to minus 1 of minus 3. Same sign we have, so therefore we can add, so we will get d is equals to minus 4. The answer B minus 4 is a correct one. Seventh one, if 4, a, b, 28 are in AP, then the value of b is. Here they said to find out b value. And here totally we have 4 terms. Before in a session also we did, there we have 3 terms, here we have 4 terms. So therefore I'll write down a1 is equals to 4, a4 is equals to 28. Now we will subtract that both, we will get a4 minus a1 is equals to, a4 we can write as a plus 3d. I'll write that one and I'll get a plus 3d minus a1 is a. Now plus a minus a get cancels. So now I substitute a4 minus a1 value, I'll get 28 minus 4, that is equals to leftover what, 3d. Now 28 minus 4 by subtracting we will get 24, that is equals to 3d. Now we will divide 24 by 3, we will get d is equals to 8. So here they said to find out b value, that is what, which term, it's a third term. So therefore a3 is equals to b is equals to, third term we can write as a plus 2d. Now we will substitute a value as a 4 and d value as a 8. We will get a final answer is 20. So answer A, 20 is a correct one. I said similar type of the problems will come, so here also we gave like that only. Now we have 8th one, 2 APs as the same common difference if the first term of the first progression is 3 and that of other is 8, then the difference between their third term is. Same similar type of the problems we did, just there we had 7 and 5. Here we have 3 and 8, and they said to find out there as a fifth term, here they give third term. Terms may be anything, but they said first progression and second progression means we need to do subtraction. That's it, we will get the answer. We will check by subtracting which value we have in a option, that is a correct one. Because this one only trick I gave before also, because it's a big sum, but here some trick by using we will get this one. So first term I'll write as a 3 and second term I'll write as a 8. Now first I'll do first one minus second one, that is a minus b I'll do. I'll get 3 minus 8 is equals to minus 5. Is it we have minus 5 in options? No, we don't have. Now we need to do second term minus first term. So b minus a is equals to 8 minus 3. So we will get answer as a 5. Is it we have 5? Yes, we have 5. So option D, 5 is a correct one. Next one, the sum of first n terms of an AP is given by formula Sn is equals to 3x squared plus n, then its third term is. Same similar type only Sn formula, by applying only we need to find out first term, like that problem we did in a session. Here again third term, but third term is little bit different than S1 term, because first term is easy because S1 means only sum of one term, but here 3 terms they said. How to find out, we will check now. First I'll take n is equals to 1, 2, 3 values. Now first I substitute n is equals to 1, I'll get S1 is equals to 4. In that formula only I substitute, I'll get S1 is equals to 4. And now I substitute n is equals to 2, I'll get S2 is equals to 14. And if I substitute n is equals to 3, I'll get S3 is equals to 13. Third term they said, third term means subtraction of third term minus second term. So third term what we have, S3 minus S2, that is equals to 30 minus 14. By subtracting how much you get? 16. So the answer B, 16 is a correct one. If for example they gave fifth term, so then you need to find out fifth term. Before one, which term it will come? Fourth term. The constant term in a quadratic equation 3x squared minus 3 into 2x minus 4 is equals to 0. After reducing it to the standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is. Here they gave the equation, we need to reduce that in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. First we will write down that one equation, and now we will multiply 3 inside of that bracket. So by multiplying how much we will get? 3x squared minus 3 2s are 6. Minus 3 is there, minus or like that only. So minus 6x, minus into minus, plus 3 4s are 12. That is equals to 0. Here what we have C, because A is 3, B is minus 6 and C is 12. So therefore option D, 12 is a correct one. Now 11th one. One root of the quadratic equation 2x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equals to 0 is minus 5, then the other root is. Here they gave one root, that is minus 5. For a x plus 5 it will become minus 5. Other one, which one we need to find out? 2x minus 3. So first we will equate 2x minus 3 with a 0. Now I'll take 3 that side, it will become plus 3. So therefore 2x is equals to 3 we will get. Now I'll take 2 down, I'll get x is equals to 3 by 2. So we have that option? Yes, we have that option. Option C, 3 by 2 is a correct one. The nature of the roots of the quadratic equation x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0 are. This type of the problem, last session I did for a quadratic equation. Same similar method here we need to follow. That is d is equals to b square minus 4ac. A value how much we have? Minus 2. So minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a value, c value will substitute now. So minus 2 into minus 2 will get plus 4 minus 4 into 1 into 1 will get minus 4. So here plus 4 minus 4 get cancels, will get answer is 0. If answer came 0 means what will say that it has a real and equal roots. So therefore answer A, real and equal is a correct one. Next we have the 8th one. The sum of the squares of two consecutive odd numbers is 394. The mathematical equation for the above statement is. Here they said odd numbers we need to have. Odd numbers means what? 1, 3, 5, 7. Here we need to see the options. If we substitute x is equals to 1, we will get the term we need to see. First option we have x squared plus x plus 1 into o square. Here x plus I'll substitute 1 means what it will become? 1 square plus 1 plus 1, 2 square. That means 1 square plus 2 square it will become. It's not a odd numbers. Next I'll substitute in a b, I'll get 1 square plus 1 plus 2 whole square. So how much will get? 1 square is 1 square only, plus 1 plus 2, 3 square. That means 1 square plus 3 square you are getting. So that means it's a correct one. Second one is a correct one, because further also you want, if you can substitute, you will get a C as a 2 plus 3. That means 2 is not an odd number. Next one also like that only you will get. So therefore, answer B is the correct one. 14th one. In the given figure, angle B is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm, and AC is equal to 10 cm. Then the value of sin 90 minus theta is. Here they gave a diagram and they said to find out sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta we can write as a cos theta also, because cos 90 minus theta value is sin theta, sin 90 minus value is cos theta. Now cos theta means what is the formula we have? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent value what we have is this triangle, because adjacent means down part, what we can adjust, where we can adjust the buildings and all down. So that is the adjacent, and the standing one is a opposite one, and slanting one is a hypotenuse. So adjacent by hypotenuse we need to do means BC is a 8, that is the adjacent, and hypotenuse is AC, that's a 10 cm. So therefore what we will get answer? 8 by 10. The option D, 8 by 10 is the correct one. 15th one. If 2 sin 2 theta is equals to root 3, the value of theta is here they said to find out theta value. And altogether the equation we will write down that 2 sin 2 theta is equals to root 3. Now I will take the 2 down, so then I will get sin 2 theta is equals to root 3 by 2. Now root 3 by 2 in the sign form what sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. So I write root 3 by 2 as a sin 60. Then I will get sin 2 theta is equals to sin 60. Sin will cancel on the both sides, because if we take an inverse of that, it will get cancelled. So that's why directly I am doing here. So sin get cancels on both sides. What I will get? 2 theta is equals to 60 degree. Now I will take that one 2 down. I will get theta is equals to 60 by 2. Then theta is equals to 30. By dividing we will get 30. Therefore answer C, 30 is a correct one. In a circle with center O, AC is a tangent at A. If OC is equals to 4 cm and angle ACO is equals to 30 degree, then the radius of the circle is. Here they gave a circle also, and they gave a triangle inside of that. So they taken radius as a opposite and down part AC as an adjacent and OC as a hypotenuse. Here we have only hypotenuse, that one value is 4 cm, and we have an angle is 30 degree. Leaving that we don't have anything. So but here they said to find out the radius. We need to find out radius. Means radius here what? It's a opposite. So therefore which formula we need to take? Sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Directly written as a OA by OC. So OA what we have R, radius, divided by OC is 4. So theta is 30. I'll substitute everything. I'll get sin 30 is equals to R by 4. So sin 30 value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equals to R by 4. Now I do cross multiplication. I'll get 2R is equals to 4. So therefore by dividing 4 by 2, I'll get R is equals to 2. So therefore answer C, 2 cm is a correct one. 17. If sin theta is equals to x by 1, then cos theta is. Here we need to do this problem is most probably we will use identities. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Instead of that, easily how to do this thing? Sin theta is what we can tell opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Denominators you can observe. It's a hypotenuse. Here sin theta, what we have denominator y. In the options check where we have denominators y. Where we have only one place we have, that is option D, square root of y square minus x square by 1. So that is only the answer, because denominators are same for both also. Therefore the answer D is a third one. Otherwise you can use identities and you will get the same answer. So this is the shortcut way you can do easily. So that's why I am getting. 18th one. If sin A plus sin square A is equals to 1, then the value of cos square A plus cos power 4A is. Here they said we need to find out the value for cos square A plus cos power 4A. So what they given we will write down. Sin A plus sin square A is equals to 1. So then sin A, I'll keep this side only, sin square I'll send that side. It will become sin square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. So 1 minus sin square A value is cos square. So sin A is equals to cos square A equated. Then here what they gave, cos square A plus cos power 4A we need to find out. Then cos square A means sin A means cos power 4A value will become sin square A. Then what they given, that is only the same value for this, because sin will become cos square, cos power 4 will become sin square. So then the answer will become same, that is a 1. So therefore option D, 1 is a correct. Origin is the midpoint of the line joining of the points a of 4, minus 6 and b of a, b, then the values of a and b are equal to. Here they said that origin is the midpoint. That means origin is 0, 0 need to come. So one thing you remember, if they said in a midpoint formula origin is coming, means a value what we have, b value will be opposite of that. That means you have a is positive, means b value will become negative, but values will be same because it will finally get to 0. So like that it need to be. Otherwise through calculation you need to check, means you can check also, you will get opposite of that sign only we will get. So we will check with the formula. So by midpoint formula we will get x comma y is equals to 0 comma 0 because it's lying on an origin. Then 4 plus a by 2 we will get. That means x1 plus x2 by 2. That is equals to x. X is what? 0. So 4 plus a by 2 is equals to 0. And another one, y1 plus y2 by 2 is equals to 0. y1 what we have? Minus 6 plus y2 is b divided by 2 is equals to 0. Now we will cross multiply 2 with a 0, it will become 0. Then we will get 4 plus a is equals to 0. Another one it will become minus 6 plus b is equals to 0. Now I'll send 4 that side, it will become minus. So a is equals to minus 4 and b is equals to plus 6. So therefore answer C is a correct one. 20th one, the distance between the points a of x1, y1 and b of x2, y2 is given by the formula. Option A is the correct one because by seeing only we can say d is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 by this y1 whole square is a correct one. Formulas are very important, you just need to keep it in your mind there and practice it very well. Next we have 21st one, that is if the points a of 1, 2 and o of 0, 0 and c of a, b are collinear, then here they said it's a collinear. Collinear means the triangle area of triangle will become 0. So then we'll use area of triangle formula, that is equals to 1 by 2 into x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 plus minus y2. So now we will substitute all the values. We will get, because 1 by 2 will cross multiply with 0 side, so it will become 0. So therefore we will get 0 is equals to 1 into y2 value we have 0 minus y3 value is b plus we have x2 is 0, so therefore whole term will become 0, so therefore 0 only, I'll keep like that only, plus x3 value we have a into y1 value is 2 minus y2 value is 0, we'll substitute. Now after further calculation we will get 0 is equals to 1 into minus b plus a into 2 will get 2a. Now I take b that side, it will become plus b, then b is equals to 2a we will get. So therefore answer b is equals to 2a is correct one. In a graph, given the length AD is, here they gave a graph and they said we need to find out length of AD. By seeing only we can say, because A is down, B also down only. By seeing also we can say 1 to 4 it has a difference. That means 1 to 2 means it's a 1 unit, 2 to 3 it's another unit, and 3 to 4 another unit. Totally how many units is coming? 1, 2, 3. 3 units is coming. Instead of that you can't do like this, you can't understand this. You can use the distance formula for A and B, that is 0, 1 and 0, 4. B as a 0, 4, and you can easily find it. But this is the easiest way because they only gave a graph. So directly we can say A to B we have totally 3 unit difference. So therefore the length is 3 unit. 23rd, a student scored 65 marks in first language, 50 marks in science, 55 marks in social science, and some marks in maths. If the average marks scored by him in the 4 subjects is 60, then the marks scored by him in mathematics is. Here they said totally how many subjects we have marks, totally 4 subjects. So which are all? Language, science, social and maths. We will write down that. So first language how much we have? 65 plus second science 50 plus social 55 and maths we don't have, so therefore I'll keep like that only m. That is equals to how much marks we got? 60 into how many subjects? 4 subjects. Instead of 4 you are taking there, you can take down also because totally 4 subjects addition. So you can take that as a ratio also. Instead of that I am taking as a multiplication rate because afterwards also we will do cross multiplication, therefore directly I am taking. Now after adding and multiplying I'll get 170 plus m is equals to 240. So m is maths. So I'll take 170 that side, then it will become minus 170. then m is equals to 240 minus 170. By subtracting, how much we'll get? M is equals to 70. That means max marks is 70. Therefore, option D, 70 is the correct one. 24th one, the empirical relation between the three central tendencies is. The option A is a correct one. That is 3 median is equals to mode plus 2 mean is the correct answer. 25th one, in the given frequency distribution table, the median class is class intervals they gave and the frequency they gave. They said to find out the median class here. So here what they gave: frequency 5, 8, 12, 15, 20. We will add everything, we will get n value, that is equals to 60 divided by 2. That is equals to how much we will get? 60 by 2 we will get as a 30. So therefore n by 2 value is 30 we will get. Now we will write down frequency, that is equals to 5, 8, 12, 15 and 20. Now we will find out CF, cumulative frequency. That is what? First one is 5 only. Next one it will become 13. That means 5 plus 8 it will become 13. So 13 plus 12 it will become 12. 12 plus 25 plus 15 it will become 40. And 40 plus 20 it will become 60. So therefore the whose cumulative frequency is greater than the nearer the value n by 2 is called as a median class. That means here which is a nearer one? Because we have 30, which is a higher and nearer one for a 30, it's a 40. So therefore the 40, which one class it has? 30 to 40 it has a class. So therefore we can say the option C, 30 to 40 is a correct one. In the triangle ABC, it is given that AB by AC is equals to BD by CD. If angle B is equals to 70 degree, angle C is equals to 50 degree, then angle BAD is. First what they gave, we will write down, because since AB by AC is equals to BD by CD they gave up. So that means we have a triangle, means what is the total angle of triangle? It's 180. Because totally we have 3 angles, that is A, B, C. So therefore I'll take all the angles. First I'll take B angle, that has a 70, plus C angle is 50, plus A angle we don't have, we will write like that only. That is equals to 180. By adding 70 plus 50 we will get 120, plus A angle is equals to 180. Now I'll send that 120 that side, it will become minus 120. So by subtracting we will get A angle is equals to 60. And they said AD is bisecting angle A. So therefore we can say angle BAC is equals to half of that. That means 60 by 2 means how much you will get? 30. So therefore option A, 30 is a correct one. 27. In the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and angle ABC is equals to angle DEF is equals to 60 degree. Then the length of AC. We have two triangles, they both are similar, so then we can say the ratios also equal to each other. So we will write down that the triangles are similar, so AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. Any two sides I am making equate, because ratio of any two sides I am making equate. And by seeing also diagram we can say ABC is a bigger one and DEF is a smaller one, and values also, because EF it has a 3 means here BC it has a 6. So that means it has a half of a difference, that means. So then also okay, we will do calculation. So we have AB as a 4.8 divided by DE is a 2.4, that is equals to AC by 1.3 as a DF. Now we will divide 4.8 by 2.4, I will get 2 by 1 is equals to AC by 1.3. Now we will do cross multiplication. By cross multiplying we will get AC is equals to 2.6 centimeter. So therefore answer B is a correct one. Okay. In the triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. If AB is to AD is equal to 5 is to 3, then area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle ADE is. We know if two sides are parallel, means we can say area of the triangle is equals to sides of the square of this sides. So therefore we will write that DE is parallel to BC, so therefore we can write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADE is equals to, we can write as a AB by AD whole square. That means you have a triangle and in middle you have a other parallel line that has a D. So then ABC is a one big triangle and ADE is another triangle. It will become like a PPT theorem, how we have triangles like that only. So then we have AB value, that is what, 5 divided by AD value is 3. So squaring up that we will get 25 by 9. So therefore answer D is a correct one. In the given figure, angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. BD is perpendicular for AC. If AB is equals to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm, CA is equals to 10 cm, then the length of AD is. Here they said we have a triangle with a 90 degree, that means Pythagoras theorem. type only. It's almost Pythagoras theorem. How we will prove, like that only we need to take here. And in that Pythagoras theorem, first we will take equation 1, that is equals to AB square is equals to AD into AC. So now we will take that only, because like that only we can easily find out the answer. So therefore I will take AB square is equals to AD into AC. Because AB what we have 6, so 6 square is equals to AD into AC what we have 10. That is equals to 6 square we will get 36 is equals to AD into 10. Now I will divide 36 by 10. I will get AD is equals to 3.6 centimeters. So therefore answer B is a correct one. The sides of some triangles are given below. Identify which does not form a right triangle. Here A we have 5 cm, 12 cm, 13 cm. So we need to check it will form right triangle or not. Right triangle means what? Square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of another two sides. Here which is a bigger one? 13. 13 square is equals to 5 square plus 12 square you will do means it need to be equal. So option A its possibility is there, and option B it's also possible is there, and option C it's not possible. So therefore we can say option C is a correct one, because it will not form a right triangle. Setting the one, two statements are given below. With respect to the tangents, the wrong statement is. Options we need to see. Option first we have, there are exactly two tangents that can be drawn to a circle from a point lying outside the circle. Yes, it's possible is there. B, there is only one tangent passing through the point lying on a circle. Yes, only one point the tangent can touch the circle. And next option C, only two tangents can be drawn from a point lying inside the circle. But we can't draw any lines inside the circle, because we can't draw any tangents inside the circle. It will lie outside the circle. So therefore option C is a wrong statement. The option C is a correct answer for this question. Next we have 32nd one. In the given figure, PA is equals to PB are the tangents to a circle with center O. If PA is equals to 5 cm and angle APB is equals to 60, then the length of the chord AB is. Here they said we need to find out AB chord. That means inside what we have got, we need to find out. Here we know that tangents are equal to each other, because AP is 5 cm means BB also it will be 5 cm, because they both are equal to each other. And if two sides are equal means it's an isosceles triangle. If it's isosceles triangle means all the angles will be equal. That means 60, 60, 60 it will be. Because that time only we'll get totally 180. That means P angle is 60, A angle also 60 and B angle also 60. If all the angles are equal and two sides are equal, if it's isosceles means we can exactly say the side also equal to each other only. So therefore we can say option C 5 cm is a correct. 33rd one. The angle between the two radius of the circle is 130. Then the angle between the two tangents drawn to the ends of the radii is. Here they said the radius, between the radius we are getting 130 as an angle. We need to find out angle between the tangents. That means angle between the tangents and the radius totally together it need to be a 180. So if we need to be a 180 means here we have exactly 130. So 180 minus 130, how much we will get? We will get 50. So therefore the answer D 50 is a correct one for this. No need to think more, because 180 minus 130, how much we will get? That is only the 50. Next we have 34th one. A student constructed a triangle ABC with the sides AB is equals to 5 cm, BC is equals to 6.5 cm, AC is equals to 7 cm, and then constructed a triangle ADE similar to triangle ADC such that each sides are 5 by 7 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Then the length of AD is equals to AE obtained by calculating are respectively equal to. Here they said us to find out AD by AE length is how much. We need to find out, that means they only gave the radius. What is that? 5 by 7. Here options also is there. No need to think more, because which option by dividing we will get 5 by 7. So that's only the correct one. Here option A we will check. We have a 7 divided by 9.8 we will take, because point is there. So therefore I'll multiply both sides by 10 into 10. By dividing 7 divided by 9.8, I'll get 5 by 7. So therefore option A is the correct one, because starting one only we got. If we not get, we can check with the second one. Like that only we can check. So therefore option A is a correct one. 35th one. O is the center of the circle. The length of the tangent is equals to AB is equals to 24 cm, and if OA is equals to 25 cm, the radius of the circle is. Here they gave a circle and it has a two sides, that is 25 centimeter, another one side is 24 centimeter. We don't know other side. We need to find out that OB how much. By seeing this one, we can say we can apply Pythagoras triplet for this, because which is a bigger one? 25. 25 square is how much? 625. And 25 square is equals to, we can do 24 square plus which one we need to add for this. That means 24 square, how much we'll get? 576. 25 square is 625 and minus 576. By subtracting, how much we'll get? 49. What is the square root of 49? It's a 7. So therefore directly we can say triplets of 24, 25, 7 is a triplets. So therefore by subtracting 25 square minus 24 square, we will get a 49. Square root of 49 is 7. So option B is a correct answer for this. Next we have 36th one. The curved surface area of the cylinder of radius r centimeter and the height h centimeter is. Here we need to say which formula is correct one. So formula d 2 pi rh is a correct one for this answer. Next one we have the relation between the slant height L, height h and the radius of cone r is. Like a Pythagoras theorem only, that means L square is equals to h square plus r square. Directly we need to go through that only. That means option B, L square is equals to h square plus r square is a correct answer. The surface area of sphere is 616 square meter. The surface area of its hemisphere is. Sphere is fully round. Hemisphere is half of that. That means we need to divide 616 by 2. So we will get the answer is 308. So that is a surface area hemisphere. So option B, 308 centimeter square is a correct one. Next, 39th one. The perimeter of a base of right circular cylinder is 44 centimeter and its height is 10 centimeter. Then its volume is. Here we need to find out volume of the cylinder. First we will find out the radius how much. So we need to find out radius means first we need to have perimeter. So perimeter is equals to 2 pi r. We have a perimeter value that is 44, that is equals to 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r. Now we will do calculation and we will get r is equals to 7 centimeter. Now we will find out volume of cylinder, that is equals to pi r square h. Substituting radius and height, we will get total answer is 490 pi centimeter cube. We need to do calculation. Directly I written your answer. You people can try to do that because you need to substitute and you need to get the answer. That's it. So option A, 495 centimeter cube is a correct one. Next we have prepare a cone from model clay. When wet, cut it with a knife parallel to its base. Remove the smaller cone, obtain the solid left is. That means, for example, you have a cone. So in that cone, upper part, up what you have a cone, so that one you will cut it down. Half of that you will cut it down. So what it will be left over? It's like a frustum of cone is left over. So that means which is the correct one answer? T. Frustum of cone we will obtain when we cut that out. So we will get frustum of cone. So I hope you first enjoy this video. Like this many videos you need means please subscribe to my channel, and if you have anything doubt please comment it